That was the tunnel experience. And going to get to the water. Just like a lake this morning. Just like a lake. Super nice. This is really cool. Trying to clean the glass. That's good. Morning sun. Morning pedal is done. This is the Griffin model that I tried this morning. I have to say it's more stable and this board is lighter, so it's much quicker as well. But it's not that wide than the other one, so you need to be more cautious on the waves, otherwise you can fall. So, if you are looking for a paddleboard that's easy to handle and great for beginners, I highly recommend the X100 from the Decathlon. And if you are looking for something with a bit more of a challenge and an exciting twist, try a board with 3 fins like I did this morning. I promise you won't be disappointed. Hey, thanks for tuning in and happy paddling!